Here is how to add a trusted connection on Roblox. So you can do this on a computer or your phone. Open the Roblox application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Now tap on the More icon if you're using the phone. And here you need to scroll all the way down and go to Settings, and then go to Account Info. In the Account Info page, you will need to estimate your age to unlock more features. So scroll down to Age and Birthday and verify your age. And once it is verified, you need to come back and make sure that you must be at least 13 years old to use this feature. Now you can start adding trusted connections. Keep in mind that the person you're adding must also have completed their age estimation. Then select the Connect button from the top of the screen under Connections, and you'll get two different options of Contacts and My QR, and you'll also be able to view the people you may know. To add a connection, tap on the QR code. To get your QR code, you'll need to do this even if you're already friends with the person on Roblox. Now select Share Profile Link and share it among your friends, family, or connections that you want to add on your Roblox. Now you also have the option of Contacts. Go ahead, select Contacts and allow contacts. You can tap on this icon in the top of the screen. And then you can go ahead and scan the QR code of the person that you want to connect to on Roblox. You will then see a confirmation to add a connection. Tap on Confirm, and the connection request will be sent, and the other person can accept on their device to establish a trusted connection. Now, when you tap on their profile and press the three dot, and there you'll get the option of Remove Trusted Connection, indicating that they are a trusted connection, and you can also remove them. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.